Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Redmi Note 7 Pro from Xiaomi with a broken, wait, a removable display? So I guess this is a very interesting one because I think the client already tried to open up this smartphone, and seeing the extent of the removal, I think they gave up after learning that this is not how you remove the display for a Redmi Note 7 Pro. You actually need to start from the back. If it's a if it's a Google Pixel smartphone, this approach may have worked. They can remove it that way. But for this one, we're gonna take the back door through the back cover. Or maybe this is just an effect of a very hard drop. That's why the display is come off of the housing. Who knows? We have taped up the back cover so that we don't get more cracks over the back cover. Maintain the form, because unfortunately we're gonna reuse this part later on when we reassemble the whole thing. We're gonna remove it. Do our best to make it more civilized, but yeah, that's the best we can do. We also need the fingerprint scanner, actually, the back cover, so there's another reason why we need to keep the broken back cover on this smartphone. I'm gonna put that to the side and proceed now to the removal of the display. The reason why you can't remove the display from the front, because it's got a connector that is routed through the housing. As you can see here, we are gonna remove this connector, and this is the connector for the display. So it's quite long. It goes through the housing and connects to the main board. But because the display is now removed, we can now easily test our replacement display. So that's quite a bit of time saving for us. We're gonna connect our replacement display, turn this on, and see if it works. I'm gonna charge it up. We're gonna reconnect the battery. And it's working. Look at that. Redmi MIUI. It's a Xiaomi UI. It's still based on Android. Let's see if it's turning on. I think this is on. We just can't see anything, but David can. And there you have it. It's working. It's just drained off of battery, or it needs a few minutes of charge. The cameras are quite laggy, and I think that's still a result of the boot up sequence. This is kind of your mid-range entry-level smartphone, so the processor is not that good. I guess this is good enough for David, so we're just gonna continue with our disassembly. It's really stuck right there. I'm just gonna remove the battery. Let's gonna try again, and now it's properly shut down. I'm gonna remove the display one last time. Detach the battery, just to make sure it doesn't cause any trouble. And we're gonna clean off the housing and put on our liquid glue so we can permanently attach the display. I hope that this one lasts quite a bit compared to the old one. We're gonna massage the housing, make it straight, and put sufficient amount of liquid glue. Run through the display connector through the housing, blow up some dust off, because this is going to be the last time we'll see this part of the smartphone. I'm gonna align this and press it in. We're gonna move our attention to the back. We're gonna attach the battery, attach the display connector, and then we're gonna cover up the main board and reverse the entire process. First, we're gonna cover the daughter board. And the main board as well. So if you have any questions on our Xiaomi Redmi repair services, if you're wondering if it's still worth it to fix this type of smartphone, yes, because the parts on Xiaomi smartphones are kind of reasonably priced compared to your Samsung or Apple devices. This is also much cheaper to repair. As you can see here, we can reuse parts that are not really good to reuse, but hey, it's working. We're just gonna slap in a phone case on this one and it will look brand new at the front. We're also gonna put a free tempered glass, and it's gonna be a good backup smartphone or a smartphone for a student. Not something you need to worry about. So thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, leave a violent reaction, whatever. This is the before and after. Thanks for joining, guys. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.